Woke up this morning and I felt a little different. Sun was shining through my shades, felt happy in my spirit. Took my whip out, got a wash. Now I'm drifting through the town. Bass is loud.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Blythe.
Now, since today is a bright, sunny day, I have decided that we can take a look and maybe learn about nature.
Yay! No. No, nature's boring.
Shush! Would everyone please quiet down and listen to what I have to say? We're going to the forest whether you like it or not. Now follow me.
Coming over in my direction, so thankful for that, it's such a blessing, yeah. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, you are.
This is getting boring.
Yeah, I agree. Let's do something fun.
Chase, let's dare Emily to do something.
Ha! Yeah, let's get the nerdy girl in trouble.
Cool, so are you in?
Are you kidding? Of course, dude. I'm totally down.
Hi, Emily.
Hi. We're just wondering why you were so addicted to school. I mean, it's just disgusting.
Yeah, I bet you're so scared you can't even climb a tree because you're goody two-shoes.
Oh, yeah? I'll prove to your rude attitudes that I can and will climb a tree right now.
Work easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Mission accomplished.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me.
Yes, Vienne, that's right. Bees collect nectar from flowers.
Hey, Mrs. Blythe. Emily's in trouble. She is climbing a tree.
Emily Firewell, you get down here right now! No, I can't and I won't. Emily Firewell, I will call your parents.
Mrs. Blythe, there's a butterfly near me. Ah! Oh, Mrs. Blythe. Emily's scared of butterflies.
What a silly fear.
But it's true. I hate butterflies.
Ugh, class, wait here. I'm getting Emily. Oh, bother, now what?
Oh no! We not only got Emily stuck, but we also got our teacher stuck.
Oh, Emily, whoever told you to climb a tree?
Chris and Chase.
The both of you! Such immature boys! Why would you think of such a horrible thing?
We're sorry, Mrs. Blythe.
Yeah, we just thought that the lesson was boring, and we wanted to do something fun.
You call this fun? Both of you, go to my classroom now. Extra homework and cleaning for both of you.
Not fair!
Students, call for help. Send anyone. Hurry!
Oh, look, a phone.
Vienne, call the fire service.
The what?
The fire service.
Oh, okay. I know how to call the fire service because my mom taught me how.
Good. Now hurry up, because I don't want to stay on this tree.
Okay. Wait a minute.
I like these. I do for you?
Oh, my teacher and one of my classmates is stuck on a tree. Please help. Please help.
Okay, where are you?
Oh, I need to bring the ladder. Oh, thank goodness. Thank you so much. Wait, what's your name? Call me Fire Fanny. Just Fire Fanny. Well, thank you, Fire Fanny. I love the ground. Thank you. Vienne, you did an excellent job. Without you, Emily and I would be stuck for hours.
No problem, Mrs. Blythe. I'm happy to have help.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much.